Hey, this is Maryam from Crochet Tuple, and today with these two colors of yarns we want to crochet Great Grandma's Square. 3.5mm crochet hook, yarn needle and scissors. To get started, grab your first color, make a knot and chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Make a slip stitch to the first chain to create a circle in both loops, the upper loop and the back loop. We should make 16 double crochets inside the ring. My first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. So this is our first double crochet, and make 15 more double crochets inside the ring. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch to the first double crochet. My first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make it in that second chain. Row 2, make 2 double crochets into the same stitch. My first double crochet in every row is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make another double crochet into the same stitch. And make 2 double crochets into every stitch all the way around. And at the end of the row, make a slip stitch to the first double crochet. Row 3, make a double crochet into the stitch that we're in. My first double crochet, as I told you, in every row is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Then into the next stitch, make a popcorn stitch. Popcorn stitch with 5 double crochets. So we should make 5 double crochets at first. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then pull up the loop and remove your hook and insert it into the first double crochet of those 5 double crochets that we made in one stitch. Then grab the loop and pull it through like this and chain 1. Make a double crochet into the next stitch. One popcorn stitch into the next one. First double crochet, second one, third, fourth, and fifth. Pull up the loop, remove the hook, insert it into the first double crochet, grab the loop and pull it through. Chain 1 to secure. 1 double crochet into the next stitch and repeat the process to the end of the row. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch to the first double crochet. But after you made your last chain on your popcorn stitch. Our first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make your slip stitch in that second chain. Like this, then chain 1 and cut the yarn. Let's go to work on row 4. Row 4, with your second color, insert your hook into any of those double crochets that you want. Grab the yarn and pull it through. Take this short tail and chain 1 to secure. Make 1 single crochet into the same space. Chain 2. Skip the popcorn stitch and into the next double crochet make 1 single crochet. Chain 2, skip the next popcorn stitch and make 1 single crochet into the next double crochet. And repeat this process to the end of the row. At the end of the row, when you made your last 2 chains, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. We will work row 5 with the same color. To begin row 5, make a slip stitch into the next chain 2 space. Then make 3 double crochets into the same space. My first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Add 2 more double crochets into the same space. Chain 1, skip the next single crochet and make 3 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. Chain 1, skip the next single crochet and make 3 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. And repeat the process to the end. At the end of the row, when you made your last double crochet, make 1 chain and make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Our first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make it in that second chain. To begin the next row, make 1 slip stitch into the next 2 stitches and also in this chain 1 space. Into the same space, make 3 double crochets. My first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Chain 3 and add 3 more double crochets into the same space. Chain 1, into the next chain 1 space, make 3 double crochets. Chain 1, make 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1 and make 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1 and into the next chain 1 space, make 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets into the same space. This way, we're shaping a square. And repeat the process. Chain 1, into the next chain 1 space, make 3 double crochets, chain 1, make 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space, chain 1, make 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space, chain 1, make 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space, and repeat the process to the end of the row. At the end of the row, when you made your last 3 double crochets into the last chain 1 space, chain 1 and make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Our first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make it in that second chain. As you can see, at the end of the row we shaped a square, and repeat this row for 2 more times. We should make a slip stitch into the next 2 double crochets and also into the next chain 3 space, like this one, into this one, the space between our 3 double crochets. This is the edge. Make 3 double crochets into the same space. My first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Add 2 more double crochets to it. Chain 3 and make 3 double crochets into the same chain space. Chain 1 into the next chain 1 space, make 3 double crochets, chain 1, and into every chain 1 space make 3 double crochets, and then chain 1 and into the chain 3 space on the edge, make 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, and do it for 2 more rows, and at the end make a slip stitch with the first double crochet. I have 8 rows in total. Now make a slip stitch into the next 2 double crochets and also into the next chain 3 space. Into this chain 3 space, make 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. And my first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Then into every double crochet and every chain 1 space, make 1 double crochet. My first double crochet is right here next to this chain 3 space. As I told you, make 1 double crochet into every stitch and into every chain 1 space. And on the edge, into every chain 3 space, make 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, and at the end, make a slip stitch to the first double crochet. I'm at the end of row 9. Now to start row 10, make a single crochet into the same stitch that we made our slip stitch in. Make 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. Into the next chain 3 space, make 3 single crochets. Then make 1 single crochet into every stitch and into chain 3 spaces, make 3 single crochets. At the end of the row, before making a slip stitch, cut the yarn, pull it out and thread your needle. Insert the needle from the back side of the second single crochet, like this. And then insert it into the back loop of your last single crochet. This way we create a stitch that looks just like others. And then hide the tail at the back of your project back and forth. First secure it with a small knot and then hide it back and forth. weave in all ends. And this is how our final project looks like. Hope you liked this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, write your comments down below, send it to your friends, and support me. See you in next tutorials.